This is the message from Jesus. The Christian does not consider death to be his end, but the end of his trouble, the end of tribulation. Whether you die young or old, no matter the nature of death, death is sure to come. What matter is the grace to continue living hereafter. Viewers, what matter is the grace to continue living hereafter. We need to be sure that we are ready to depart. Are you ready? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the Lord shall come. Will you be ready? Are you ready? That is the question. Continue to trust in God is the only way to get ready for the thing we are not ready for. Trust and obey. There's no other way to be happy in Jesus. Trust and obey. Continue to trust in the Lord is the only way to get ready for the thing we are not ready for. The question you need to ask yourself, are you living each day as if it were your last? That is the question. Are you living each day as if it were your last? How are you using your life? I mean, how are you spending your life? Because the greatest way to use life is to spend it on something that will outlive it. For instance, to love someone more dearly every day. When you look around you, you see someone who is in need of your love. You will see someone who is in need of your help. You will see someone who is in need of your strength. You will see someone who is in need of your time to help a wandering child find his way. I mean, to help widowers, orphans, the less privileged, and the unsaved. To follow truth, like the book of John 14, verse 6, as blind men long for light, to keep our heart fit for his holy sight and answer when he calls. This is our task. Let me leave you with a million words. Live each day as if it were your last. Someday, you will be right. Emmanuel.
And God showed me a vision of the end time. Listen to me. I was taken from this earth to the sky and heaven opened. As I stood in between earth and heaven, this is me. It's just like you're on a door and you can jump and I can fall on the earth. And I'm looking at heaven. As I looked down, I saw 6 angels that were sent from heaven to go to the earth to collect Prophet TB Joshua. Listen well to me. I'm telling you only what I want. I will not say what I did not say. I saw the angels coming up like rockets. 3 holding this his left hand. 3 angels holding his right hand. Then he was like this. 3 supporting his left. 3 supporting his right. Do you know football cup? He was holding the cup, a trophy. And they were coming up with him. I was looking down like that. I said, wow, God has said they should come and carry Prophet TB Joshua. Look at how they are carrying his hand. I saw the cup he was coming to heaven with. As he entered heaven, I was looking now where those 6 angels were going. I saw them went to the right. I turned on my right. I saw a throne that was God's throne. I could not see the face. All over was light. And I heard a voice speaking from the throne. Take the trophy from him, bring to me, and take him where he belongs. Another angels who were on the throne, not the 6. The 6 were still in his hand. Some other bigger angels, those were now cherubims. Those who are at the throne of God. They left the throne too. They came now, they took the cup from Prophet TB Joshua's hand. They carried it to the throne of God. And the voice spoke, take him to his place. And the 6 angels that were carrying him now to where he has inherited in heaven. And when I saw that, the heaven locked. I stood now, heaven was closed. I was in the air.
Personally, I shed tears because of the work he has done, his humanitarian works, and the lives he has touched all over the world.
It's unbelievable. If this man of God will please wake up, he has not finished his assignment. All of us, we are in a money mood. Nobody is happy.
It's an exemplary, a practical Jesus Christ in the physical human being in my generation.
It's more than 50 years I'm in Queen Synagogue Church. He just delivered me just last month in my leg. TB Joshua is a great man. He's a kind man, nobody like TB Joshua.
Well, our purpose of 10 years is not for anything. We have no business. We have no any construction or any other business. It's because of the church in question. And man of God has a way of doing things. He makes sure that there is food go to our mouth.
It's a big loss to the whole world, most especially Nigeria, because